What's up, you guys? So, my statement wasn't working. Today, we're gonna be reacting to. We're gonna be reacting to. Okay. Who watches Howieazy? Alright. What is this? No!
Bro, you good? What happened? My dog! I let it outside and go to the bathroom. And then it got ran over by a car. How is that funny? No, bro, I know it ain't funny with your face. Why did it stop?
Y'all wanna watch some Howieazy? I'm gonna put 1 hour Hawaii. And we finna watch.
Monster make you buy. Monster make more. I hope there's something good on Disney Minus today.
Alright. Enjoy, y'all.
Why is Stranger Things on Disney Minus? Is that supposed to be 11? Why is she already bleeding? Is that a Devin Gordon in the Rainbow Room?
I'm a baby. I'm scary.
The Devin Gordon talks since when?
I'll load up this handgun. 3.
That ain't 11. That's 11-teen. That Devin Gordon didn't come from the upside down. It came from the downside up. What is going on? This ain't Stranger Things. This is Weirder Objects. My head, man. This is too much. I'm not watching this in my
When little kids make something stupid.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm about to ban water from this household. Why are you playing the water again? I'm enhancing the water. How are you enhancing the water? There's metal in it. This isn't just any kind of metal. What are you talking about? It's a metal spring. Yes. What? You have 5 seconds to tell me what you're making, what you're concocting right now before I'm making natural spring water. Just stupid. Just keeps getting stupider. I'm gonna knock you out so much.
Dang.
It worked. I hope Disney Minus has something good today. What is Mar? Could they not afford the letters?
What? Heck
Is your booty
no.
so juicy?
Y'all, I had to skip it because it was inappropriate.
Gonna get into it. What's on Disney Minus today? What's this?
Hello, my favorite toys. I'm going out to play.
Okay, bye.
He talked! He talked!
Did you just talk?
No.
Okay.
What? How did he go on an exitless door?
Hey, Buzzwood, you've got a friend in me.
Ew, why is Woody giving birth?
Hello, toys. I am back.
Welcome back.
What?
It doesn't make sense.
Greetings, Andy.
Wow.
To infinity and beyond.
No, this was negative and below. I'm so confused. I'm never watching Disney Minus again.
Lol. What the?
Yo, are you good? Do we need to talk? I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better.
When little kids create something dumb.
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you so obsessed with water? What are you even making? I'm making a new concoction. A new concoction? What is that? Chemical X? Glitter? Glitter. You're putting glitter in water? Why? It's an upgrade. An upgrade. When you put
How?
glitter in the water, what does it become? Sparkling water. Why can I never have a break? Why can I never have a break from this stupid?
Comment down below, you guys. How do you make sparkling water? Comment down below. How do we make sparkling water? Because like how do we make sparkling water? Tell me, y'all.
Why are you putting glitter all over my house?
When you eat fast food in front of your sibling.
I can't wait to eat these chicken nuggets. I got my own money. What's wrong? Are you hungry? Too bad. Maybe when you're older and you get a job, you can afford some. These chicken nuggets are so tasty. They're just chicken nuggets. Calm down. I'm sitting.
When you try to escape a fire with children.
That ain't good. Hey, yes, Mama? I was doing dishes and accidentally started a fire. We need to go. Where did he go? Yo, what are you doing? I'm taking a shower. Why? We literally have no time. If I stay wet, the fire won't get me. That is the dumbest thing You know what? The fire can wait. Another day has come. Caught you in 20K HDR 1200 FPS Super Nintendo iOS 49 Blu-ray ultraviolet radiation 1080p PlayStation 5.
When parents see you invent something stupid.
What are you doing? And what is up with you in Water Lake? I'm inventing something. What are you inventing? You're putting sugar in water. That's just sugar water. They're Smarties. So what? What does Smarties have to do with water? It's gonna make a new kind of water. What kind of water? Don't tell me you're trying to make smart water. Yes, I want to make a home for free. It's not even the same thing. No matter smart water is gonna keep it from being this stupid. You're all so stupid. Why y'all talk?
When your foot leaves your blanket while sleeping.
Get over here!
When you prank call the wrong person.
Not so loud. Who's this? Hello? Hi. Hey. Can I help you? Who is this? It's La Boom La La Caca. I'm calling the police. This is the police. We have a police.
Having communication errors with parents.
Hey, what are you doing? I'm watching TV. You know you've been watching TV for the past 3 days.
Alright,
I want you to be more active, so I bought you a
I'ma
bike. It's
end
outside.
it right here. I'ma end it right here. Peace.